We all have this L gear in our cars, but I dare say, most people have never used it. In fact, it hides 5 major secrets. If you learn it, you will not only drive more fuel efficient, but also save your life at critical moments. First, when the car climbs a steep slope, it will feel particularly strenuous and unable to climb up. In fact, you only need to shift the gear to L to climb up easily. Second, when starting in the snow in winter, if the wheels slip or the car gets stuck in a mud pit and cannot get out, you only need to shift the gear to L to get out of trouble easily. Third, when going down a long slope, if you put the gear in the D gear, the speed of the car will become faster and faster. In order to control the speed, you can only step on the brakes frequently. This is very easy to cause the brakes to overheat and fail, which is very dangerous. If the gear is shifted to L, the engine can be used for braking to prevent brake failure. Fourth, if you encounter brake failure while driving on the road, many people don't know what to do. In fact, we only need to shift the gear to L to quickly reduce the speed of the car, and then pull up the handbrake when the speed drops to the lowest. You can stop the car steadily. Is it practical? Follow me to learn some car knowledge every day.